Human cadavers play an important role in the life of a medical student. They allow them to observe muscles, bones, and organs in a life size model. This gives them an accurate perspective of size and location than that can be obtained using computer models or textbooks. Rather than viewing them in a jar, students can get a context of surrounding organs and tissue for a thorough comprehension of the organ under observation. In addition, understanding normal anatomy can help students recognize abnormal anatomy. The greatest disadvantage in this age of digital education would be that the student will lack the haptic understanding of anatomical structures.
It has been more than 3 months that we all are locked up in our houses, and thankful to these online classes, we are provided with tons of knowledge. Every day, we are used to listen a lot of complicated theory material. It is easy to listen but difficult to understand and memorize without any practical knowledge. The most interesting and indulging classes that we all are missing are the practical classes, especially the D Hall. The cadavers present there were our silent teachers. They taught us the actual anatomy, they gave us the realistic view of how things are placed and what are their clinical aspects. Teaching on cadavers made us learn anatomy enthusiastically and helped us to retain knowledge for a longer period of time. Due to this present situation, I have realized that without cadavers, it has become really difficult to understand anatomy. Mugging up also doesn't suffice the vast course of anatomy. Cadavers provide us the clear knowledge of different muscles, their origin and insertion, the course of arteries and veins, and the nerves supplying various tissues. In the end, I just wanted to conclude by saying one thing, that is, sometimes we fail to give respect to some very important things in our life, and we only realize their true value after losing it. Now, I am just praying to God to end this COVID period soon and let me and my friends again see the cadavers and learn anatomy with the complete different perspective.
Death is a final destination, but not our goal. It's not the one awaited, but the final sleep after a tiring day by an exhausted soul. It's definitely the end of life, but not exactly living, as footprints left in the sand of time are milestones for those in search of living. And who knows it better than medicos dissecting cadavers, where death teaches the living? For he never thought the dead could teach the living, as knowledge is the gift they are giving. The dead teaches the mysteries of human life, so one can understand the sufferings he had survived. As the scalpel runs perfectly through your skin, you lie there with a win. You bear so much pain just for the sake of a student's gain. The courageous act of yours, donating your body for the cause. Whenever I close my eyes, in my mind a realization does always arise that anatomy without you is worthless, since everything would be nothing but a mess. You're my first teacher, and your worth cannot be matched with any other creature. In all my deeds from this forth, I'll do justice to your sacrifice throughout the course. I learn from your identity, and I promise the lessons you taught will never go in futility. Will never go in futility.
Dear caregivers, you are so strange. No matter what happens, you never change. Before I saw you, had mixed emotions. Fear, excitement, a lot of notions. Had never seen a death before. How will I react? Was not so sure, but believe me, it was wonderful surprise. I never knew you were so nice. I always see you lying so quiet, dark within you. You chose to give light. Though there is just a body, no soul. Afterlife confined you in a tea hole. We dissect you. We sometimes hurt you, but you are always quiet. Just for making our future bright. We gossip, we read, we dissect. We'll never forget these memories we collect. Now that 6 months have passed, I realized you made me wise and a bit surprised. Earlier, I just read, mugged, and wrote. Because of you, we learned a lot. I know gratitude can't be expressed, it's just felt. But since I am adapted to that formalin, 6 months ago I smelled. Dear Cadaver, thank you for everything you taught. Will write for you one day, I never thought. Thank you.
अरे तू कैसे कर लेती है यार डाइसेक्शन?
सिंपली तो है, तू भी करके देख. एक्चुअली जो BD चौरस्ती है ना, नो डाउट उसमें ओवर सिंप्लीफाइड दिया है, बट द कैटेगोरिक डाइसेक्शन इट विल इम्प्रूव योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
अरे यार BDC नहीं, रेड बुक बोल, नहीं तो मैम सुन लेंगे.
हो honestly, to be a good doctor, no doubt you need theoretical knowledge, but the practical knowledge that cadaver gives you is must, as it nourishes your clinical skills. So thanks to the cadaver, our first teacher.
अरे भगवान, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. सारी बुक्स पढ़ ली, BDC, इंग्लिश, बिजनेस, कैटेगरी के बिना पता ही नहीं चलता कि इसकी अटैचमेंट कहाँ है, मीडियल है, लैटरल है, क्या करूँ. लॉकडाउन में ना कैटेगरी को भी साथ ही ले आना चाहिए था. कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. सच्ची में लॉकडाउन पता चल गया कैटेगरी का बेस्ट टीचर.
कैडेवर ने हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया. सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा डे 1 में आया. पास की नीट की परीक्षा, आ गए कॉलेज मांगने ज्ञान की भिक्षा. यहाँ आकर दिखा अनैटमी का खौफ, उड़ गए हम सबके होश. कैडेवर बोला ना हो परेशान, मैं करूँगा तुम्हारी हर परेशानी का समाधान. सीखे मुझसे हर चीज़ की ओरिएंटेशन, हो जाएगी अनैटमी की अडेप्टेशन. सीखे मुझसे ब्रेके प्लेक्सिस, चाहे सीखे नंबर, सीखो चाहे कॉग्निटिव फोसा, चाहे सीखो की बर्टन. दिखाऊंगा तुम्हें हार्ट ब्रेन, कर दूंगा पूरी तरह ट्रेन. हर मसल का ओरिजिन इंसर्शन दिखाऊंगा, उनकी नाव सप्लाई और एक्शन भी बताऊंगा. आर्टरी वेन और नाव करते कंफ्यूज, उड़ जाता है दिमाग का फ्यूज. फॉर्मली ने सिर है दुखाया, हमारी आंखों से पानी भी बहाया. कहीं हमें डी होल से बाहर भी भगाया, पर सबसे ज्यादा मजा हमें डे 1 में आया. कुछ मुझे देखकर हो गए बेहोश, कुछ खामोश तो कुछ मनहोश. मैंने तुम्हें हर चीज सिखाई, अनैटमी के डर की धूल है हटाई. मैंने दिया अपना बलिदान, ताकि तुम बनो महाविद्वान. मैं भी तुम्हारा पहला गुरु, मैं ही रहूंगा अंतिम, क्योंकि कैडेवर ने हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाया. सबसे ज्यादा मजा हमें डे 1 में आया. थैंक यू.